There is hope, guys. There is hope if you have a minivan, okay? Hey guys, now look, we all have had that dreaded soccer mom van come in, right? And you're thinking, you can't be cool in a soccer mom van. Well, my buddy has done it, and you can do it too, right? So this is a 2004 Toyota Sienna van. But now if you look, it has a 3-inch lift on it. It actually has 17-inch rims instead of 15, and also it has super knobby tires so he can drive it around on the farm. So he doesn't use one of those side-by-sides or whatever you're looking for out there. He actually has a van to haul the chicken feed and all his deer corn and to take his deer stands out, and he can put them in here, he can take them out there and put them up. So there is hope, guys. There is hope if you have a minivan, okay?
Nice.
But now as you can see, when you look at this thing, he takes it everywhere. And I know there's all these sites and magazines that are dedicated to Jeeps and 4-wheel drives. We're gonna get to start us a new class now. It's gonna be the 4-wheel drive minivan club. So we can all look cool when we roll up in the school line to pick our kids up. As you can see, this thing is absolutely muddy from head to toe, right? When you go looking inside, like smell just hit us. I'm glad that this is not a scratch and sniff clip, because it's bad. So as you can see, this has the infamous red clay, mud, and dirt from North Carolina. Listen, it's very, very hard in iron, which means it really wants to stick to the paint. So in order to get it off the paint, you really have to scrub to get it to let loose, but to also hope that there is no staining. So, because if there's staining, then you got to do a lot of buffing and polishing. So I'm going to do a pre-rinse first to get all the mud off before we actually start grinding and cleaning. Then we're gonna take the degreaser, we're gonna take the all-purpose cleaner, and we're gonna be washing the bottom area plus the door jambs. Then we'll get our gas tank door. After we wash the door jambs, we'll make a process all the way around the vehicle. Then we will start washing it from the top down once we get all of the really, really heavy debris and mud and whatever's on the bottom of the van, we'll get that off. Once that is finished, we will go back and wash the vehicle, then we're gonna clay it. We're not gonna have to do a whole lot of buffing and polishing because I'm sure the chickens are not gonna care. Guys, this has been the coolest minivan I think that I've ever cleaned, right? Now for you guys that have to ride in the wife's minivan, this thing here has a 3-inch lift. It has some different struts on it. It has some 17-inch wheels and some knobby tires, right? And yes, I did say minivan. But look, the outside of this thing is absolutely bad to the bone and mean looking when it drives up. Thank you as always for watching. Look, we need to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell all your friends to subscribe. Listen, there's much more to come where this one came from, so make sure that you stay watching very close.